Hi you guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. I hope all of you are doing amazing. In today's video, I'm going to share some Amazon finds. This video has been quite in trend lately, so I thought I'll also make one. Now, most of us shop a lot from Amazon. So I have some really cool, useful stuff. And I thought aapke liye bhi ye sab useful hoga. So make sure to watch this video till the end. And now, let's not make this intro any longer. Let's dive right into the video. Starting off with these stick-on nails, like they're so pretty. I love them. I used to get those salon gel nail extensions which cost around 2,000 to 3,000, and something like this would even cost more. They're so easy to apply. Comes with sticker, like आपको glue भी लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Glue वाले stickers आते हैं. Just apply those glue stickers and then apply these extensions and you're good to go. It's like literally a 5-minute task. And वो salon nails में कम से कम 2 घंटे लग जाते हैं. So I think they're amazing. I have another option. This is also really nice. This is from a brand known as Rene. So they're very affordable and easy to work with. They can be reused as well if you have the right kind of glue or these stickers. So if you have some party or some wedding and you want nice nails, definitely they are amazing. Next I have these organizers. Now it's made of plastic for sure, but they are so useful. ऐसे छोटा छोटा सामान आप इसमें रख सकते हो and it makes your place look very neat and tidy and organized. So I've kept like a lot of body products here: body mist, hand cream, body lotion, spray, and also my earphones. So ऐसे छोटा छोटा सामान रख के you can make a lot of use of these organizers. So as per your need, you can find different sizes on Amazon. I will link some of my favorites in the description box down below. Next up, I have this lint roller. Now this is so useful. I don't have a pet, but still I have a few clothes जिसके ऊपर बहुत ज़्यादा dust and ऐसे sort of lint चिपक जाता है. It's a used one, so it's very affordable and you just need to take out one sheet and use the next sheet, and it came with 3 rollers, so very affordable and useful, especially if you have a pet. Try using this, it will make your life really simple. कुछ भी extra आपके कपड़ों पे लगाओ या even on your couch, sofa, bed, whatever, just roll it around and it will take away all the dirt and dust from that particular thing. So very useful. Next up I have is a water filter. Now I don't have it in hand right now, but I have attached it to my tap. This is like a life-changing thing. So I remember like 3 years back, I moved back to my house and I was facing a lot of hair fall issues and I was not able to find out the main reason, but yes, I changed my water tap with this filter. I just attached it to the tap and I could see an instant difference in my hair fall. Basically, you might think that your water is really clean, but it is not, trust me. So this filter will give you filtered pure water, which will definitely make a huge difference in your hair as well as skin. So if you're breaking out or facing some hair fall issues and you're not able to figure out why, try doing this because it has actually made a huge difference in my life. It's a one-time investment and uska refill aata rehta hai, so you can buy the refills, the cartridge, but the main thing you just need to buy once. A little expensive for sure, but I think it's worth it. It's definitely worth it. So I have something which is not useful but useful at the same time. I have this showpiece. It's a Buddha. They kept this in our living room. I think it's so cute. It's from Home Center, from Amazon only, and I think it's so cute. You find such amazing showpieces online, so affordable, expensive, all kinds. So definitely look out for some amazing showpieces if you don't want to visit the store and if you don't want to pay a lot. Amazon pay, you have some great variety of such showpieces, some decor items as well, so do look out for those as well. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. Do let me know which one was your favorite item in the comments down below, and also share one Amazon find that you think has changed your life, and I would love to try out that product for sure. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bells on so that you are notified each time I upload a video, and keep coming back for more videos.